Hi everyone, it's Gross Human Teach Up again, because once again I have another special guest.
Salutations, it's your local wolf dog Onekame.
This is Nekome. They're visiting just for fun.
Yep.
They've been here for the last week.
Yep.
We've been doing a lot of fun streams. You should go check those out. If they're
Fun
still...
is the way to describe it.
Yeah, fun is definitely a way to describe it. Yeah. But yeah, and now we're gonna do a little baking episode for an early birthday for Vermont.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. He's at work right now, so we're doing a little surprise Blackberry Cobbler for him. So let's get started and go over the ingredients. All right, so here we have 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup plus 6 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of melted salted butter, and then about 2 cups of fresh blackberries, rinsed and dried. Okay, so for mixing this up, we're gonna add the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and 1 cup of the sugar to a large bowl and stir that together.
Next, we're going to add the red ingredients, including the milk and the melted butter, and then mix that in thoroughly until it's all well combined.
Okay, and then we're gonna pour that into a little square 8-inch pan, and we'll drop in the blackberries.
Yeah.
All right, so starting off here, I'm just gonna throw in the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and 1 cup of sugar. Okay.
Now next, we're going to add our milk and our butter. Anyway.
Nice.
Yep. Boop, boop.
Boop, boop. Oh, yep. Okay, and then we'll go over and throw this in a pan. All right, so we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna grease our little 8x8 pan here, and just pour our batter in. Boop. Okay, and now we're gonna drop about half, maybe a little over half of our blackberries right into the batter here. Boop.
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 Boopity boop.
Boop.
Blam.
Boop.
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 Bazinga. Boop.
Blazinga.
Blazinga.
Boop.
Beep.
Boop.
Kids a bop.
Kids a bop.
Boop.
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 Yep.
Oh.
We're touching fingers.
Oh no.
It's too lewd for YouTube.
Oh gosh, oh heck.
Boop. Boop.
Boop.
Boop. Maybe one more in that corner.
Boop.
There we go. Okay. And now we're gonna bake that for about 30 minutes. And then, depending on how you want to do this, you can either take it out then and drop the rest of the blackberries in like we just did, or let it bake for about 50 minutes and just drop all the blackberries in right at the start. But before we throw it in the oven, we're going to sprinkle another 1/4 cup of the sugar right on top of this. Okay, and then we'll throw this in the oven. rest of the berries right on top of our cobbler here. Boop. Boop.
Let's be careful when we drop it.
Boop.
I don't know if this batter's going to explode on us after each drop.
No, I don't think it's going to explode. I think we're fine. Boop.
Oh.
Boop.
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 Bam.
Right here. Boop. Squish that one into the corner there. Boop. Boop. Boop.
Boop.
Boop.
Boop. Boop.
Middle there. Ooh, that one fell in.
Oh, it's okay.
There it went.
It's going first one.
There was the last one right there. Sure.
Yep.
Okay, and then we'll throw that back in the oven for about another 20 minutes. Okay, and now with about 10 minutes left in the baking, we're going to take our last bit of 2 tablespoons of sugar and sprinkle that over the top. And then throw it back in the oven. Go. So we also got some special ice cream to go with this. This is Marionberry ice cream because Marionberries are apparently only grown in Oregon. And
yep. They're, I guess, exclusively grown in Oregon, and this is also made by a company called Tillamook, which is known for their cheeses, but they're also an Oregon native brand and company. So this is where all your cheese comes from. You're welcome.
And made from Oregon also. That's
yeah, I'm an Oregonian. I can say this stuff.
Yes, that's why we're doing this. So, we're going to have this when Vermont comes home as a little early birthday present.
Yeah.
So, I might include a little segment of that, I don't know. But next week, we're going to make some hazelnut and cream cheese cookies.
Ooh.
So, meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, I got you. Keeping up to date.
Happy early birthday.
Huh?
What is this?
It's Blackberry Cobbler.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys.
Yeah.
I have a box.
You do.
Hold on. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I really hate that you're filming my bedroom at the worst moment.
And on top of that, we got a little something on the side.
Right. I don't know why I'm filming this part. It's the ice cream again.
It's ice cream, but it's Marionberry, which is the Oregon grown berry.
Oh, I love this.
And made by Tillamook, which is an Oregon brand.
I'm going to try this now.
This is the ultimate Oregon experience, certified by an Oregonian.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you. Very happy. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey.